And I miss this BGM. Wait lang, wait lang, wait lang. I will equip.
Yawa ka mo siya.
Thank you. KP. Di ko mag-food. Ani, Rajud. What is that eh?
Ang kuan, Paula. Strongest weapons nimo. Strongest shit nimo.
Makoy, Mike.
Not too expensive lang, pero like strongest shit gyud nimo. Ang imo gyud pang kanang hardcore PvP dungeon shit.
Nana. Wala ko yung items idala.
Empty inventory mo lang.
Okay. Wala ko yung food.
Na ako'y food unya na ako'y poison pots gidala.
Yeah, but I'll try without pots of food. Asa.
Di mo I suggest food. Pagpalit mo og kuan ka,
Oh.
Avalonian tier 8 na soup.
Oh, how much is that?
It's like 32k. I don't know.
That's now?
32k a piece. Nice case siya. So, like it gives you 9% damage and ang imuha pag out of combat health regen.
Ako'y magkwandan mo, ikaw mag-gawin. Ako pa, ipatumilo niyo. Ay, Dota. Ito man,
Besides, di man yung madrop nimo. Ang madrop raman nimo ang loot nga nasa inventory.
Kani, I'm here. Asa ko buwan?
Where are you? Nami Limhurst.
Okay, wait.
Ako, Dowen. Girl ba?
Yay, unsa man nga weapon siya kanang naglutaw-lutaw. Master Eve Song. This is
Is that arcane?
Oh yeah, it is. Puzzle, fire arcane energy that targets the enemy dealing 500 damage, 584 damage with a debuff on the defense. Chain missile, shoot target direction dealing 600 damage to the first enemy hit. Upon hitting, it will jump to the closest enemy. Arcane charges, whatever. And then nada yun siya. Dark Spear. Call down a Dark Spear impacting and
This guy
deals,
just plays arena.
I think, oh, no? Ang iyaha style.
Gold, yeah, rank.
Holy shit. Makes sense, I guess.
Total fame, 18,000 lang.
Yaw, arena ragigidula sa buang.
Crystal Arena NPC.
Bro, people actually kuan. Matches 1 is 361. Matches played. Grabe may ka shit o win rate siya. Anyway, let's go. Muna naman ka na imo best shit, Paula.
Yeah.
To the back rooms.
Shit.
I think, am I the only one who should go in? Or dungan tatanan?
Change. Ay, dapat eh.
I don't know how this works.
Ako po, kaya wala po ka-try nga na party.
Oh, hello.
Trio semi-lethal.
The depth.
What does semi-lethal mean? We're gonna die? Ay, dili yun yung
That's
mga ang repair gin.
Ha? Ma-affected actually.
Oh shit.
That's why we need to like win. Hulat sa ha. Close pa ang gate.
Mga
So,
tier 8 mo ni.
100 seconds.
Dugay mo lang ang buwa na. Basta gawa na.
Mga kuan, no?
Like,
Na may 4 point kuan 4.4 na yung mga magamit raging ana.
Pero kuon pristine ba yun?
That's fine.
See, it's
Kaya lagi ni.
going. Okay.
Di kay balo ka, makuan man pod ni malimit ang base item power paula to 900.
Okay.
Ang adjusted item power. PvP results in inventory loss. Mura gid. Wala labot ang equipment. Up to 2 party members.
saka pa rin. Pakasaka pa rin to?
Lagi guide rin nga, chill lang kayo og set.
Dapat
Holy.
Hindi dato na. Grinding.
Hindot po ni Paula, we can practice PvP here without actually losing anything.
Care.
Yawa, daga na lagi mga tao mag 4.4. Awaken pagayod. But why? It's not that good. Open na.
Are you just going?
Enter, I think mo enter lang ta kay group naman ta. Oh.
Year 6.
The depths.
You've lost contact with the rest of the group.
Okay, we go explore, I guess.
The map is just empty with like these things on it.
Ay, ni spawn? Or nawala rang shield? Ah,
Altar
okay.
of
Never mind.
Ah,
Kana,
Nag-reload siya ba?
I can't change my skills.
I think you can.
Oh, it's just a bug. Oh, good.
Kanyo, we need to defeat them. Kay kana ganing nasa center mo na ang ato kuan. Mo nang loot. That's where we get loot. Be careful, like everyone here is hostile, no one is friendly.
Ow!
Low, minus 105.
I think soul ni.
Yeah.
Ako pa, dugay.
Oh no, it's a chest.
What is it?
Get your shit. The deeper we go sa depth, by the way, is the better the loot. Kuan lang yun lang, like, ang risk lang nato is there are people who can steal the loot. But ang fame, pretty good. Kay, since semi-lethal, ni considered sa red zone.
Kay Beat. What is yung madunggan ba kay? Karanasan lang yung madunggan. Dito ka doon sa kanan.
Constantly press Y from time to time to know kung na nagtanaw na to. Pagitan man pud na nato.
After nga.
Deliver this soul. Yes. Give me that soul.
Pwede Warcraft, pwede ka noise.
Kita ka ng altar of greed dool. Dara ta mo adto na. Nay tao guys. Nanay tao diri. Bantay.
Yeah. Ay, dili.
Oh, they didn't go here, so we're kind of fine. They didn't go north.
Now.
Altar of Awakening. Dira, if one of you dies, I can pick up your soul and deliver it there. Ma-revive din mo.
Bro, may paon. What is that?
Oh, we need 3. You see that? We need 3 souls. So I have 1. We can put 1 there.
Ow!
Die, demons, die.
Inumduman lang nato niha kung asa nato ni gi-deliver ang soul.
Nagwal sa A.
Okay, nice. Wait, do we get something or yeah, we got something. Blue chest, let's go. Open. Nay nakuha ka balon yan, Cape. Oh, yawa.
Yep.
Lucky. Let's keep going.
Wala, nanako. Batong na ko.
Naglibog pa kay ko unsaon pag naog deeper. Or na makanaog ka deeper.
Shit.
Oh, guys, Sean, are you good?
Yes.
You guys getting fat fame or kumusta man?
I'm getting
It's
fat.
good.
Okay.
Nice, very good.
I'm getting fat phobic.
Ow.
Oh, guy!
Bigyan mo yung basura no? Yan lang, pasap ka doon. Ano ba? Ay, di ko madungog.
Uy, na solo. Punita na pala. Ikaw butang later.
Basa. Diri?
Katong altar sa taas gali.
Color go.
Wrath condition when you help them. So, is this a buff?
Ako yun.
Kuhanin. Oh, wait. Ako rin na buff. Kaya, kuhaon ninyo. Isa na swirly shit ni mo siya. Ay! It is like the abyss. Tanawa inyo ha buffs. You see that number 2? Nga thing,
Oh.
nga buff?
Mukolek
That's like-
siya.
Mula siya sa Night Abbey.
Subod na.
Let's see what we get. Indot no, una tayo tulo ka soul. It's a green. I got mage sandals. Nakuha siya.
Runes.
Ah, okay. Paspasan mo na kuha ato eh. Lagi den diri ah. Safe zone na, you think?
We shall see.
I understand it. Wala, naglag.
This. And
Oh, Aquitarian din.
Eh, hindi kayo hindi masasabi.
Oh, there are players here, guys. I'm excited.
so
Not like I'm gonna lose anything.
Wala no.
Dari sila ni Agi taas.
Dito mo. What if they're all tier 8?
Oh, then we fight. It's not like, what do you have to lose? Like, the thing you actually don't wanna lose. Wala man, di ba? Like, just,
Una yan o,
Well.
dili.
wala man tayo soul though. Well, fuck it. On fame.
Wala.
Road at 3.
Ow!
A lot of dodging involved.
No.
Este may lava nga guy eh.
Ow, ow, ow! Pew, pew, bitch.
Pabusog ta guys. Mangawat din na ang natay makitan nakay tay dako kay gyapon tag chance makadaog. Negay. Duha.
Bitches. Can you see
Nani
the other
meet
one?
your ha, nani stun sila.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, I'm naman ni Dota, what the fuck?
Oh, na isa.
Okay, buying 2 seconds, Yeah, fuck, bitch.
Yeah,
Come
that's
here,
right,
bitch.
that's right.
Yeah, that's right, bitch.
Fucking run
Come
away.
here. I'll buy
Asa man niya, priest.
Yeah, iskito ano, uy.
Sige gugda.
Mamatay ka, Jim.
A bit too far, dude.
Baka.
Yeah. Wait.
Wala ni sila yung priest. Di awa na po in group guys.
Go back. Yeah, it's not worth it.
Back ta.
Yung
Nasa
may
life
makain
frost
mo
ang
unta. Even if
nagsunod na to ni Frost. Ay wala ni agin sila glain lugar.
Basta niya ka to sa pyramid.
Yaw hadlok to ba?
Okay,
Okay,
mangkayang isa
after-
ka, dude.
78.
Oh,
defeat
defeat.
ka na.
Agi gang sila
Minamatay.
sa pikas. Naman low na maguto sila. Gigang to sila sa pikas, gigang. Careful ha basi mangita to sa ato ang uban.
Wala ko ka-inspect the other dudes.
Ako na-inspect kay Frost stuff isa.
Okay, ko on mage, fire stuff.
Ang katong ni try na to jump. Wala ba sila ka-realize na si Shan niya. Ay, balik ko full HP. Chulukin na. Come here.
Wala nila na ano, unahon unta si Shan pero ako gibind.
Lagi kita ko gi-jump ni dive na lang pud ko dito after ay. Na-low na gud to siya. Asa may mga kalaban diri bay?
I think they're over there.
No like NPCs ba?
Oh.
Yawa. Tungod sa kakulba ni Binho daw kamot. Kara ganing like kulba gyud na kulba.
Oh my god, another dude.
Ah,
Wait.
nagay.
I'ma see.
Axe ni. Hi gear.
Pong na.
What the fuck? Buno dyan si Sean.
Go on na.
Yeah, the axe guys hurts as fuck. What the hell?
Oh yeah. GG.
Ang loot daing makuha.
Yeah, your shit doesn't. It's just the thing you picked up.
You see your
Isn't it nice?
It's just another meta game.
Si Shan. Paspas ka niya gi-dive siya niya ay.
Yeah, pasposi pa sila ni inspect.
Bleed ang good kaayo ning axe.
Yeah.
Anong pinaumin ba?
Kasi mo gamit pa wala master's knife. Oh.
So, para di kayo kuhomo. And kaning helm pag na para di kuhomo.
Saman, you guys wanna keep going?
Up to you.
Hindi, yawa ni.
Yeah, these are
Ay, mo di siya. So na ko. I will say this is good practice. Alahin man dining nga lugar.
So, kaya yung place.
Don't know where to go, honestly. Dito.
Tatong mga na ay spots.
Found some. Then timingan pod ko ato ako unsa ni skills was on cooldown. Mali gid kayo.
Look! Ano sporty? Naka-off di ay. Naka-off di ay. Naka-off.
Ay yama, wala man ko nagkaon sa ako food. Oh my god, I'm insane.
93.
Oh, holy shit, motherfucker jumps. Whoa. Yeah.
Oh, nakagawas ra ko.
Ow!
Be aware ha, be aware. Be aware. People might jump us here.
Ray Mike. Ano nga ito?
Ow! Oh, wait, okay.
Oops.
May possibility ng purple?
Uy, buff niyo. Unleash a corrupt energy around you
Resistance.
when you low HP na ka.
I think mas
Ah,
nice
can I
to
get this,
tank,
Kay?
yeah.
Close range ko
93 guard lagi.
fighter. Pero kana gani kanang aura around you. We need more of those, by the way.
Oh.
Kay the more we have, the better percentage we can get against players.
Oh, like
Better
above.
tag damage, better tag defense. Wait, nada is soul dito. Kalimut kong dala no.
Like
Or
ano
kuha
yun?
at miss.
Team secret ya.
Give us our stuff.
Oh,
Eh,
Nice.
how long na ako buff?
nadiri ah. Oh my god.
Apa doors.
Ay guy,
No. Mobs lang.
ibaan pod ko nimo. Di dito matanggal at
I'm lagging.
yeah, maglago ko dagat kay AOE.
La-
I'm scared.
Ow!
If you get another soul, you wanna depot to the nearest. Uy, na chest diri guys. The hell? Oh my god, na chest diri guys. Buff na, kuha na. Who wants that shit? I already have mine.
Wow.
Is that Joe?
Skip his friend.
Oh shit, I feel like mag-away tayo
okay
dito.
na.
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Let's
Sama
let's,
essentially.
let's leave. Unless you guys wanna fight, okay na ako.
Yeah, it's the tier 8.
Wala to yung soul gihatag. Yeah, ma-pisti.
Oh no. Oh no.
Ali, di po na ta diri ya.
Sino?
Kanyo di po daw pa. I-try daw.
The altar is protected.
Oh, we need to kill.
Ow, ow, ow!
Yama, plate armor man ka chill. Wait kaysa ka lang mag-change ko
And I saw
skills. Nice soul.
Yeah.
W. Kuha na siya, you wanna try? Yeah. Change ko og sprint kay para if ever gok dun ta, we can just run away ba?
One bridge, below. But, ba, ano to?
Sige, Dipo guys, Dipo. See what you get.
Feeling lucky.
Okay, okay. Okay, alright. Nakoy holy stuff.
Rokoy
Nice.
assassin shoes.
Ay, tier 7 no, kinsay nakuha to.
I got it.
Nanay ni kuha sa
Claymore.
chest ha. Nanay ni kuha sa chest.
Wait,
Someone below
Oh,
us.
shit.
Forward na din na. Let's just exit na. Exit na. Ay,
Can
wait.
we exit anytime?
Yeah, we can. Aquatarians din. Pwede ta mo leave if you guys want.
Oh, big.
Ako 81k on me. Kamo? Ikaw, kinsa din nakakuha og tier 7.
18.
I have 184.
Oh shit.
I hear fighting.
Yeah.
You wanna go? Try?
Wala na, may
Tier
backside.
A third party that shit. You died.
May backside.
May hammer. Luna.
Go.
Bye. Still going.
Nice stun, bro.
Wala ko'y bind. Yeah, that's right. That's okay. I don't mind. Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure, bro. Sure.
Dead one, dead two.
Wait, isa.
Nice one.
I bind.
Ah, ni-reset na siya.
Wait, stuck saan ako? Can I loot? Never mind. Always really.
They don't have much.
Oh, that's so. We basically murdered people, bro.
Nakoy enemy soul though. We can deposit.
Tulbaan na din siya, kaya gisundan ako.
I am coming.
5 seconds pa ko.
He should just give up.
The
Okay.
depths are closing. Where's he going? I think he's going.
Si exiting.
Reset naman niya, wa man ni siya. May pagipatay nato ni sila no, ganiha.
Yeah. Asa
Good
na?
man po dapat timing ato.
Yeah, I know my
Wala,
dude.
daga naman sila.
Kasi na ako pwede deposit tong.
Ay, pwede ta muna og pa oh.
Kasi sa
Ali, guys.
statue ready. Pero layo ay
I think sa Dipo, kani siya diri where I am.
Wait, who is this? Oh, Kaden Apollo.
Tulbaan to sila ba? Ang gigawin na ako ang low HP. This one, no?
Altar of Greed. You can get souls one day from dead players.
Oh yeah, permanent daw mo drop ang dead players of souls. Na lower floor pa. Tapad diri. You guys wanna go? Come on. Okay ra makanin nyo.
Yeah.
Orange zone de ang tawag ani siya kanang semi-lethal. Oh, red zone is like lethal. And then this one's
Tier
semi.
7. Tier 7.
Ah, lisod-lisod na ni diri guys ha.
Oh.
Where are we going? Ay, pakuan naman na. There's no mobs there, I think, Paula. Anyone here? Nah.
I am lagging.
Tier 4, man ay pila gear gani ha?
Yeah. Naluwi ko kaya I think they were also beginning.
Trying it. Yeah.
So,
Well, iluoy diri Paula ya. Ay. Ganahan ko ani nga lava da kay dili siya mo drop og di siya mo leave og trail.
Lahabot to fault dili sila mag-priest. Mag-fight tag mob kay puno gyapon ato HP pero sila dili.
Mo ning difference sa ato kay tungod na akasan ay.
what the hell?
They just run yun. Nag-type lagi ka Paula.
Yun, natingala gani ko. No, off
Nag-announce siya nga
town.
na daw ta diri ay. Sorry na Paula.
The fuck.
Yawa ni hilag ito siya. Did he bite me?
Chomper.
Any soul? Walay soul. Oh. I buff. Can I have this one?
Mm.
Wala na ko'y question. Baka naging lingering na imo ihatag sa ako Does that actually kanang mustay gani nga katong scythe nga magtuyok-tuyok? Mustay na nga damage sa ilaha.
Dili. Oo. Basically, I could give it to a person or a mob. So,
So
when I
AoE
give it,
good siya, no?
yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Follow pa dyan siya sa player. Depende siya sa armor. Depende siya sa armor. If plate armor kay katong hammer ang gawas, which is much better.
I-ready in ha boots ha kanang like ready for running or kanang fighting. Ayaw ra na gamitan na skill. Base man po na sa armor Paula, no? Nice soul guys, let's go.
If leather kay kani ang mugawas, I think yours is leather. Yeah, it is leather.
You get a buff. Someone get that buff. You wanna depot sa kaning duol na kuan? Duol na altar of greed. Wala to sila sulod no katong ato gipang patay.
Mga runes lang.
Bago pa gito ni sulod ba. Ayo magkalisod man dai ni no kay tier 7 naman dai ni nya munaog pa ta sure ko mo tier 8 na ni.
Ow! Ayan man, Ronald.
What do you mean?
Nagulog ko.
Oh, okay. Abi na ko nawala ka, nalibog ka. You want that one, Shan? Ano may ako? Oh, kaning Paula?
Okay.
Direct damage money.
Oh. It's fine.
I have none.
Ay, di wala na imo ha?
I mean, my damage is low.
Oh, okay. Ang damage mo pasabot.
Ow. Oh, dude,
Ooh.
that's a tier. Oh my god, that's so perfect. No, no,
Oh
no, no, no,
my
no,
God.
no, no, no,
I am
no.
dead.
Mawalagan ko, I'll run. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Oh, what the fuck? That's a perfect gear, holy shit. I'm sorry,
I'm dead.
guys. I'm sorry.
Di fight na lang unta ka.
Where am I going?
We don't lose anything here, Paula. Kaya nga. Stage 7 na ba? Yeah. Asa ka? Ikaw na lang isa?
Yeah, ako na
Gibukod
lang.
ka nila, Paula. Oh, wait, no. They're far away from you.
Where do
Are
I
you still
go?
spectating, Shan?
Na nakabak sa ano, thingy.
I think they're looking for you, Paula.
Yeah.
I know, they're going to the chest. Ay, napudjay sila yung support, guys. Yawa, mani ba? Tier 8, 8.4. Yawa, mani guys.
Mo gani. Kita ko yaw perfect man to tanan. Blue star with the gold outstanding. Unya tier 8.
Okay. Yawa, layuan
Oh
na ni
my
Paula.
god, I'm
Sige,
dead.
Paula.
I am dead. I am dead. I am dead. He saw
Hindi
me.
ko
I
ka
am here. He
expectate ni mo
saw
da.
me.
Yeah, in-expectate ko sa guy who killed me.
I'm basically dead. Also, magkukudo. Wait, I'll go here.
Si Paula siyan ba?
What is this?
Pwede na ba ka mahawa, Paula? Kani
How do you
Paula, ani
hawa?
diri.
How do you
Ana,
hawa?
dali,
Oh,
ana,
okay,
dara,
okay,
ana,
okay,
dara.
Gets, get.
Yawa,
What if
nagulat si
circle?
dako large chest ila gitambayan bay ug kaning kuan. I mean like they are capable, no?
Yeah, with those gears. Oh my god,
Wala,
that's
na,
just...
Ay, nay magaway. Wala ta kanihawa siya. Nagtanaw ko
Oh my
nila
god,
ron ay
another
drama.
chest.
Open na. You want me to live stream siya? You wanna see this shit? Well,
It's
wala
fine.
pa si Paula.
Ew.
It's fine.
Oh, it's fine. Sige, balik na ko sa kuwan.
Bad.
Pila pairs na to, Vic? Kasi,
Ew.
Na ano diri? Ma-repair.
repair area.
Where is it?
Not sure.
Hanap. It's
You find it?
They must sell and
Wait.
they must sell.
it says it's right here.
Marketplace.
Ano,
What?
it's so small.
Oh, it's the... Okay. Pila mo ha?
50k.
50k po na ko ah.
Kung katong isa ko gigamit turbine double.
100k.
So,
Hell?
So how was your first dep? You guys okay with it? Is it
it's
is
pretty
it
okay.
nagunsa maka Paula?
Just
Ako-
pricey.
Yeah, ako pa yun. I'm selling my shit that I got.
Paula ratting away while we die siya.
I had to. I don't have the gear for those motherfuckers.
Wait, I tried stunning the guy nga ni jump ni motion, but then he just kept going. Kinda ignored me.
Yeah.
Fuck Chua.
The fuck did you say?
Fuck
I was gonna
Chua.
say, you know that?
I know. Pero may nagamit ang na what is this?
Kuha na ba daw na siya?
Diba?
Yawa maning tier 8. Uy, yawa man sila. Naay uban ba nga ka-tier lang nato pero nagi tier 8 yun ba?
Kaya alala mo.
Why am I so sleepy?
Katugo na ka siya.
I think it's because of katong ano ni Ice hangout.
Ay, nag-uban man day mo today, no? Pinakog-like ko lang.
Gi-cancel niyang guys sa ano.
Yeah.
So ni ano na lang ko kaya ay ano ato na lang ko dira Ice kadali tapos less than an hour ako dito. Sa ilaha. Abot din niya papa.
Yung ni-cancel siya, di ka laag.
Init daw.
King guy, man. Guys, ano is cold.
Partly my fault but din nakatulog ko a bit.
O tayo, tanaw ra ng want to sell. Tanaw
Hell is that?
Only stuff nga kuhan siya, tier 8.4.
What kind? Like holy stuff, holy stuff.
Holy stuff. Elders holy stuff. Tier 8.4. Sige mo ha, build siya. Nag-priest ka, no? Nga cloak.
I could use a different build kanang a bit like tanky priest type.
I'm surprised wala ka nag-meta build.
The
Like,
energy.
energy, mga sandal, parani, scholar sandals, and mga kuan. Mage
Okay man
robe,
ako, ano?
mage skull.
Okay, tawag na. I guess this one is PvE and I didn't bother to change.
Nagani kuan Royal Banner creates an aura 5-meter radius, attack speed cooldown, and 10 allies. Grabiha ano eh. You wanna do one more time on your end na ta?
We can lose money.
Come on.
I mean, yeah, lose
Ay,
money.
3 minutes pa man. Na-close naman na yung door.
Di na timer.
Yeah, from time to time nga na. Asa mas Paula ba yun? Sa imo skills, Paula. Oh, bind ang gigamit ni Paula. Bind inner shadow. Ay, pag plate armor lang dahil na mo follow, Paula.
No, all armors.
Na,
Lahi-lahi.
tanawa.
No, like lahi-lahi ang shadow makast per armor.
Dili oy tanawa. For leather targets, lasts for 2 seconds, deals players blah 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 blah. For targets wearing plate armor,
The big guy with the hammer ang mo summon.
oh yeah, it follows. Pero sa ako lagi Paula, when you cast it, leather
It's-
armor man ko,
Yeah,
and then it didn't follow me.
it did. Ay, basically, ang kadtong hammer ang mo-follow.
Ang mo follow.
Oo, kanang mo-follow jud nga mo hammer jud ba? Ang kadtong leather nga shadow, mo-follow siya sa imo, pero mo stay dayon siya if you move gani. Example, mo-follow jud siya on a target, but then ang AoE niya mo stay lang at that area compared to the other two.
Oh, what does it do? Deals magic, blah blah blah. This damage cannot be reflected. Steals 100% of the health the enemy has lost. Muday, di ka matay.
Kaya i-lifesteal build kapag nila ako.
Ano yung lifesteal ni? Asa dapit?
Ano, magbutang ko og kuan sa akong shadow counter kanang or runes. Wait, mag-enchant ko
What?
ng runes.
I-point 2.3 ni mo?
Yeah. Nakita ko online. I still need the runes though, yeah, the god. Tier 5,
Mahal ba
tier
yan kay Masters?
6. Yeah. Itong tier 4 na ako. Nakay tier 4 nga. Shadow color. Asan yun? Yung blue torch, blue flame food. Teka na.
Di ka, nag-DPS naman ka before aning game siya, no?
Yes?
Oh, ikaw.
What do you mean?
Have you tried DPS in this game? Or wala pa?
Not fully. Like, wala ko ni-commit.
Mm, I just realized siya, no? Anong wala ta nagkuhan? Whenever we go Black Zone bang, anong dili ta mag Miner's Boots?
I don't know.
Like, Miner's Boots is for running gali, like, goodbye, I'm out.
No?
Wow. 7 mil for this shit? Oh.
Guys, tanawa ra gud ning kuan kanang namaligya gani. Tanawa ang Elder Mistwalker Hood. Tanawa ang iya skill. Immortal ang tawag. Become immortal, making it impossible to drop below 1 HP. Become immune to enemy transformation effects. Consume 2% of your max energy every 1 second. The ability can last up to 5 seconds. Yeah, gabi ka insane. Miss Walker shoes. After image. Dash targeted position, leaving an after image of your original position for 6 seconds. Moving more than 32 meters away from the after image will set the ability on cooldown. Return to image, teleport to the after image, cannot teleport through obstacles. Ayusa mo diyan ang Mistwalker na kuha, no?
Blue flame? Wala, mga blue flame. Oh, a healer.
Where's this guy?
Ikaw man din nag-away dira, Jid. Yeah.
Yup. Nanghagad ra magug kalit. Bugo ka, shield ka sa ako atubangan.
Difference sa crypt candle o
I use a crypt candle. Minus ano ang crypt candle. Defense against players and mobs.
oh.
Depends ang iya weakness.
Big iya, depende sa tier mo kada ko iya minus. May makag more humok.
I'm surprised wala ka nagkuan. What do you call that? Wala ka nag blue flame.
Blue
Kay
flame
CC lang
expensive.
ang weakness sa oh yeah, mahal bitaw. CC lang ang weakness sa blue flame, di ba?
Mm. It even stops like high tier, wala na yung available.
Yeah.
Kay
Sa blue flame?
mm, it's
Yeah.
ano, tawagan na kanang tawagan na artifact na weapon.
Wala lisod guro kay na eh. Kay artifact tier man di ay ni. Wait,
My
offhand,
suck is
offhand.
good all rounder.
Yeah. If you want defense or kanang di kaya mo dali mamatay, mo isa kisudod.
Pero kung mag-ano ka pa wala, crypt candle na kay tank
Guys,
ani,
yawa
mo
guys.
melt lagi ka.
Ang blue flame guys na ay kuan guys. Tier 8 nag-search ko ba?
Yeah. I also searched it right now. Kaya I was gonna
21% extra damage on everything. Bati mo CC Rilo oy. Gamay ra pag yung minus sa CC kay ang tier
Dense
tier
man.
3 good kay kuan. 100 na good ni ang minus, di ba? O tier 4.
Yeah, 131.
Oh. The fuck? 131 na ba ya to? So like what's 60 more? Tier 5 ba ni? Nindot bitaw ni panggank no? Isog kaayo.
Ako gamit ano, hollow fall o crypt candle mga tukog dungeon.
Hollow fall? Asa
Mm.
na? Sa mage na?
Holy stuff. Second to the last.
Dapat dili man ni weapon ng holy stuff. Hollow fall. Ay, 100 ay ni.
Oh, one hand.
Divine intervention. Healing, crowd control, and buff. Leap towards the target position. Dapat mobility po. 11. Oh, dako kay rage. Becoming immune to damage, debuff, blah 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 blah. Throw enemies on a 5-meter radius, restores health up to allies, healing at least.
Grabe ka clutch ya i.
Muning katong imuha butang sa ground or lahi ni.
Like, mo jump siya towards a target mo like a leap.
Ah, okay.
Tapos tanan na radius kay mo ano mo fly a bit interrupt. Tapos mo heal pud, mo heal up to a bunch of allies.
Nagamit kag grip candle ani?
Oo. Kaya kasakit.
Oh, fuck.
The smite is so painful.
Physical and magic ability bonus. Unsa nga tier mo grip candle ato?
Ano na to? 4.2? Kay ano pa man, fresh pa man ako crypt candle.
11% unya 5% damage lang sa imuha, no?
Tapos apel na ako rogue. Moabot siya 71% percent more damage.
Wait, unsa day mo rogue?
Plus 50. Tapos if I pick the damage passive, may mo siya 58, I think.
Oh. Ni-regret gani ko siya na base gani mo respect na pod ko. Base mag-mercenary ko ba?
Pola, inspect ako i-inspect ako weapon.
Oh, what is this? Oh my god. That is my
Tanoy ang price.
I 4.68 mil. Jesus Christ. One pa jud. Tier 8.2. What the frick?
Mo-switch ko ani soon and mag-off-han kog sensor pag
Oh,
mag-dungeon ka.
one ang best so far sa Holy Stack.
The best one kay it's not even in the market.
Oh.
Ang the artifact na blue. 200 na stuff plus na siya.
Yawa, ninduta man is. What the hell, man? Self-ignition. Ninduta man day aning kuan. Relic nga mga jackets, leather armor ba?
Yeah, ano din ning artifact din ning rot color.
Kadanta guys man.
Sige,
Close pa man uy. Uy, open na. You guys wanna try? One more?
Pag-live na lang din. Ang maawi.
sige,
Yawa ka
follow.
pa wala.